Thank you, ma'am, for handovering this microphone to us. Amol? Amol, where are you, Amol? Amol, what are you doing? We have planned to host the program, but you are coming in a chill mode. But by the way, which dance is this, Amol?
ल तिमीलाई थाहा छैन यो त हुड्के गीत हो नि यो गीत सुन्दा मलाई नाचु नाचु र गाउ गाउ लाग्छ नि
हुड्के? What type of dance is this, Amol? Can you please tell me?
हुन्छ नि अनुस हुड्के गीत नेपाल समाजको एक परम्परागत लोकगीत हो यो गीत विशेष गरी थारू समुदायसँग सम्बन्धित छ यो नेपालको कर्णाली क्षेत्र तथा सुदूरपश्चिम क्षेत्रमा गाइन्छ र नाचिन्छ
Oh, so Hudke dance is mainly performed in Karnali and Sudu-Paschim regions of Nepal. Yes, Amol?
हो नि अनुस
Okay. You have wear this much beautiful dress, Amol.
Yes.
But why?
We are going to dance.
Okay, so let's go for the dance, Amol.
पर्ख पर्ख हामी दुईटा मात्रै कहाँ हो र साथीहरूलाई पनि बोलाएर पाहुनाहरूलाई मनोरञ्जन गरौँ न त
Okay, so without any delay, we would like to call the Hudke performers on the stage. So by this, myself, Anush Thakal,
myself Amal Basne
want to join the group. Hope you will enjoy the dance. Thank you.
पैसा होला सकी जान्या हो नाम नरै जाने क्षमा चाले दिनाजु क्षमा 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 नाम नरै जाने क्षमा चाले दिनाजु सुख